Welcome to the Budgeting Basics channel, where we simplify your finances one step at a time. In this video, we're diving into Budgeting 101, creating a financial plan for beginners.
Step 1. Set financial goals. Before you start budgeting, you need a destination. What are your financial goals? A new car, debt freedom, or a dream vacation? Define your goals to give your budget a purpose. Step 2. Calculate your income. Now, calculate your monthly income. Add up your salary, side hustle earnings, and any other sources of income you have. Step 3. List your expenses. Time to list your monthly expenses: rent, utilities, groceries, transportation, and don't forget those streaming subscriptions. Step 4. Categorize and prioritize. Categorize expenses into necessities and non-essentials. This helps you see where you can save. Step 5. Create your budget. Create your budget. Allocate for necessities, savings, and non-essential spending. Step 6. Track and adjust. Track your spending with apps or spreadsheets. Adjust as needed to stay on course. Budgeting isn't just about numbers, it's about achieving your dreams. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and join us on this journey to financial success.